a company unlocking the value of circular economy for businesses. Let's hear it for Circular IQ.
Hi, my name is Roy, and I am the founder of Circular IQ. We offer materials accounting software that enables businesses to improve their environmental performance. These are setting ambitious KPIs, but they lack effective measurement tools. They struggle with determinants to identify impactful opportunities and to activate their value chain partners. Our materials accounting offers the solution. CTI is the recognized measurement approach for material in the circular economy. When you use CTI tool, sites based on minimum data inputs, and you meet upcoming disclosure requirements like ISO, GRI, and CSRD. Our SaaS solution is up and running in minutes. It offers seamless integrations, enhanced efficiency, and elevated data quality. The result? A remarkable return on investment, typically realized in 4 months. Automotive companies need to reduce environments and identify the best opportunities to bear. CTI tool helps analyze opportunities against EU market averages. By leveraging CTI tool, automotive companies can make informed decisions and enhance their environmental performance, ultimately driving cost savings of around 300,000 every year. IQ is in the circular economy digital solutions market. This market is comparable to the carbon accounting market back in 2050 in terms of and other key characteristics. We are a well-positioned firm in this dynamic and fast-growing market, presenting a huge opportunity to invest in a winner in an emerging market. We have an experienced and lean team, leverages experience in digital product development and my experience in sustainability and the circular economy area. The partnerships we build are assets that set us apart. We work with sustainability in the top companies across many sectors worldwide and are now focusing on use cases with fast ROI that easily translate into other segments. We are raising 1.2 million in the first quarter of the next year. Our last 2 quarters were cash flow positive, and we will use the money to triple our MRR and 3x our customer base. We are looking for investors that bring strategic value and expertise aligns with our goals. Reach out via the contacts here if this triggers your interest, and happy to follow up. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Roy. Do we have questions for Roy?
Yeah, I have a question for you. You say that you can benchmark performance against the EU market. Which source do you use to benchmark? Which source of data do you use?
Yes, we can leverage multiple different data sources. So for the automotive specifically, we have a report that was created by Bain and Circle Economy, a Dutch circular economy non-profit, and they analyzed the market across the EU in the current state in 2022, as well as the sector ambitions towards 2040. So we are able to benchmark on the top level of the product, but also benchmark on the breakdown. So on the main components and the materials inside these components as well, which generates very valuable input because companies can immediately see where their performance deviates, so where they need to focus on improving their performance. Is that clear?
Thank you, Roy. Do we have another question?
I will have another question. Usually the main problem with circular economy and measurements is beyond when you left the pure scope of the company. How does Circular IQ handle this for the end of life, the recycling? Where does the data come from? Is it the company who should provide it, or do you have solutions to bring it?
Yes. So the echoes, I hope I have your question correct, is you want at the part where the data comes from for companies to see how they can best, let's say, maintain the integrity of the materials for multiple lifetimes. Was that the question?
Is the company gathering the data for what happens to the product after they've sold it? Or is it to your Circular IQ brings this kind of data?
Yes, we bring that kind of data. So we have global average information, but we also have, let's say, more granular data sets that we can leverage to get the company started. But then, of course, the companies that have and are gathering their own specific information, for example, about the efficiency of their collection schemes, they, let's say, are able to really improve the quality of their data over multiple cycles. But we leverage different data sources to get everyone started, so they have a number to go with, and then they can use that number to see whether, let's say, they should invest in recovering this material, or maybe the current, let's say, collection scheme is already relatively good.